This is the new DEYE 16 kilowatt hour battery, and with this capacity, this is the smallest one I've ever seen. It's smaller than the new 16 kilowatt hour Felicity, which already has a great size, but this one is on another level. You can check information through the DEYE app in real time, and even though it didn't come with wheels, I ended up adding some, which I will share with you how I did it. Now, you already have seen it here on the day that we tested the DEYE electric car charger, which is awesome. It's called the DEYE SE F16, and it's not a aeroplane. There are several models. This is the one with the display showing the battery percentage. Now, Daniel from Solar Technica, which is an installer, on one of his trips here to the Algarve, helped me with the installation, which, although it's very simple, it should always be done by a certified installer, which he is. So if you need one, I will leave a link down below. It weighs 109 kilograms. Yeah, it's really heavy, and it's definitely a two-person job. Actually, 3 or 4 would not be bad to take it out of the box. This model has several versions, and this one didn't include wheels because it's designed for wall mounting. And although it looks really awesome on a wall, I decided later on to put in wheels. Now, it comes with those mounting brackets, but it also accepts compatible wheels, which is easy to purchase online. Now, with the battery turned off, Daniel removed the covers from the positive and negative terminals and the communication ports. It has 3 ports, 1 to connect to the inverter and 2 to connect to other batteries in parallel, up to a maximum of 32 units. Then he connected the negative and positive cables coming from the inverter, tightened them up, and that was it. He put the covers back on and it's done. Finally, he just had to connect the network cable from the inverter to the battery for communication, and the original cable was a bit short, so we used another cable that didn't allow us to let the cover close properly, but I already found a solution, and I'll share with you in just a moment. Then you just press the button to turn it on, the lights come on, and it will start working. Now, the run light means that it's operating. If the alarm light comes on, then something is wrong, and we will need to check on the manual, and the best of all is to contact your installer. Now, the 5 lights turn on when the battery is charging, each representing 20% of charge. And you will also get the exact percentage both on the front of the battery and also on the inverter, in case you are using a DEYE inverter, which is really awesome, one of my favorite inverters. And in this case, this is a 3.6 kilowatt DEYE inverter that shows all the information both on the unit itself and also on the app. Daniel made the necessary configurations on the DEYE inverter, which you already are very familiar, because my main inverter is a DEYE 6K. The difference is that this one has a lower power rating, 3.6 instead of my 6, and it did configure it for the 16 kilowatt hour DEYE battery, and everything working perfectly. Now, after that, I did order some wheels that support up to 500 kilograms, and since the battery is already prepared for wheel, it was just a matter of screwing in the 4 and it's ready to roll. Now, tilting the battery wasn't exactly easy because it's heavy, but with some help and the sofa nearby, we managed, and that is it. Now, the battery is about 7 centimeters tall without wheels and 78 centimeters with wheels. And for comparison, the smallest 16 kilowatt hour Felicity battery that we have checked out is 90 centimeters tall, which is quite a bit. And my 15 kilowatt hour one is 110 centimeters tall, so a huge difference. And one of the ways that they achieved this was through the CTP technology, which allows a more compact internal cell arrangement. And this is awesome because in a time span of 1 year, batteries of 15 kilowatt hour, which is the example of the Felicity that it's upstairs, actually all of them are upstairs, because 109 kilograms to bring downstairs is, forget about it. And it's the only reason that I'm not recording with the battery right over here on my side, which is something that I really don't like to review, and not having the device here. But that aside, in 1 year we could see that the evolution in terms of battery is huge, and I have great expectations for what we have reserved in the future. Actually, nothing is reserved, but the technology keeps on improving and improving. So right now we have smaller batteries in terms of the volume, but with higher capacity. So this day has 16 kilowatt hour compared to the biggest one, which has 15 kilowatt hour, and it's much bigger. This is just awesome. This one has 16 kilowatt hour of capacity, the SE F16, but there are other versions in 5 kilowatt hour and 12 kilowatt hour that you can choose depending on your needs. And you can connect up to 32 units in parallel, reaching a maximum capacity of 512 kilowatt hour, which is a massive amount of energy, but in these cases only for commercial use or industrial, because for a normal household, which is what we use right over here, then it's too much. I would say that 32 kilowatt hour of capacity. If you have plenty of panels and if you have an electric car, then great. If you have a smaller house, then one will be plenty. It will deliver at least 6,000 cycles, which means more or less 16 years until it reaches the 70% DOD, or the original capacity. You can connect via Bluetooth in the DEYE app and get real-time information, whether it's charging, how much, voltage, amperage, and there's also a tab with much more detail like the temperatures, individual cell voltages, lots of great data if you like digging into all those details. Now, Roberto, did you change your system? No, my system is still DEYE inverter 6 kilowatt, which is awesome. One of the best inverters that I've used so far. It has all the tools necessary, and if you want to add one of these inverters to your existing system without messing anything, I have some links down below on all the tests that I did in terms of AC coupling, where you can put that inverter with the battery that you choose, and then it will read the energy that other inverters are producing on your house grid, and the excess it will put inside the battery, and that is just awesome. But that's only one of the features that it can handle, because it can do a lot. I do have 9 610 watt ICO panels installed by Solar Technica, and if you haven't watched that video, I will leave the link down below just in case you want to check out my solar installation. And I also have here a few other panels on my pergola, so in a total of 10 kilowatts of power with the 6 kilowatts of the DEYE inverter, which I believe it's a great balance for a household. But I do get the chance to test out and play around with a lot of devices, including batteries, solar panels and whatnot, so I will keep on learning for myself and sharing all the info that I have at each of the moments that I turn my camera and I share that info with you. Doesn't matter if it's a battery, it doesn't matter if it's my savings or the app that I'm developing, and I will be sharing with you soon enough so that you can connect your DEYE inverter, have a lot of fun and real-time data in an elegant way. That being said, hope that this video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.